stories on that. But away from that, the National Assembly reopens this week with the full in-tray, including 5 crucial bills to pass before the end of the year. Now, Copyright Amendment Bill 2017 aimed at protecting artists' royalties in war is one of the bills that is expected to be passed and forwarded to President Uhuru Kenyatta to assent to. In the in-tray too is the Finance Bill 2019, touching on the budget process that is crucial in assisting the country raise revenue. They include the Competition Amendment Bill 2019 and Insurance Amendment Bill 2019.
So Parliament resumes from recess for the third session tomorrow. A lot expected to be happening, of course, coming hot on the heels of the mediation talks on the division of revenue bill. And let's pick it from there. I'm with Majority Whip Benjamin Washiali. Mheshimiwa, you're resuming tomorrow. We know that you're resuming at a time when you've just come from an acrimonious mediation process. Perhaps is the division of revenue part of the in-tray that forms the criteria or the priority for tomorrow when you resume?
Yeah, thank you. The recess has been just 1 month, but it appears it has been quite some time because a lot has happened. And on the onset, we as National Assembly, we appreciate that the Senate eventually agreed with us on matters of revenue allocation, and that the issue we had put in place, a team that we had sent to negotiate with the Senate, eventually they have agreed to 316 billion, which was our position even from before. And I think out of the settlement that the Senate has made, we want now to get our